In today's episode, Akshara gets mesmerized seeing the wedding. Card made by Kairav. Kairav feels glad Akshara liked the card. Akshara hugs Kairav. Goenkas too praise Kairav. Akshara gets excited seeing the card. Kairav says he will use the card for the puja and later will give it for the print. Arohi recalls her wedding with Abhimanyu. She attempts to ruin the card. Akshara stops Arohi. She asks Arohi what she is doing. Arohi says to Akshara that she was closing the paint bottles so that it don't get spilled. Akshara says to Arohi that she thought, later asks her what she predicted. Manish asks Goenkas to get ready. Akshara stops Arohi. She says Kairav. Love both of them equally. Akshara says to Arohi that the way she prepared the card for her wedding the same way Kairav made for her, and there is nothing wrong in it. Arohi says her wedding was incomplete, which is wrong. Later, Akshara meet Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu gets happy. Akshara shows the card to Abhimanyu. Harsh spots Abhimanyu with the Akshara. He says Akshara has turned Abhimanyu a monkey. Akshara asks Abhimanyu to go for a surgery. Abhimanyu asks Akshara to give a kiss to him. Akshara shy away. Abhimanyu spots Arohi outside his cabin. He asks Arohi to do some other work instead of just standing outside his cabin. Other doctor informs Abhimanyu that he called Arohi to meet him outside his cabin. Staffs out there gets happy for Akshara, Abhimanyu. They conclude Arohi might be a good doctor, but Akshara is perfect match for Abhimanyu. Arohi decide to prove she is better than Akshara. Ahead, Goenkas leave Akshara behind and goes to the temple. Akshara board another car to reach the temple. She bumps her car into a trolley. Men out there accuse Akshara for rash driving. Akshara tries to defend herself. Abhimanyu comes for Akshara's rescue. He was about to fight with the goons. Akshara advised Abhimanyu to use his brain. Elsewhere, Goenkas and Birlas realize Akshara and Abhimanyu both are missing. Arohi adds Abhimanyu. Akshara might have other plans. Abhimanyu, Akshara struggles to reach temple. Akshara asks Abhimanyu to promise her that he will always protect her. Abhimanyu gives his promise to Akshara. Duo reach the temple. Arohi gets angry seeing Abhimanyu Akshara. Like there. In today's episode, Vansh says he meant when couple come together. It looks good. Neil adds couple to be should be together. Abhimanyu seeks blessing of Manish, Suhasini and Swarna. He thanks Kairav for making card for them. Abhimanyu gets excited to see the card. Kairav asks Abhimanyu to wait until puja gets over. Akshara asks about Harsh. Manjari tells to Akshara that Harsh is stuck and will join them later. Suhasini, Swarna and Manjari starts the puja. Abhimanyu and Akshara soul talks. Both wish each other happy. Wedding. Abhimanyu gets excited for his wedding with Akshara. Akshara gets teary. Abhimanyu asks Akshara not to drop tears. Further, Birlas and Gonaks get stunned seeing Abhimanyu and Arohi's wedding card. Abhimanyu gets angry. Everyone gives look to Arohi. Arohi gets stunned seeing the card. Abhimanyu burns the card. Arohi defends herself when Abhimanyu accuses her for changing the card. She tries to explain to Akshara. Abhimanyu stops Arohi and says Akshara will not hear her crap today. He asks Arohi, don't she remember what he told her? Arohi asks Abhimanyu to trust her. Manish, Suhasini, Akhilesh asks Arohi to accept if she has exchanged the card. Arohi tells to everyone that she hasn't exchanged the card. Akshara urges Abhimanyu to let Arohi explain her side. Abhimanyu asks Akshara not to blindly trust Arohi. Mahima accuses Arohi too for exchanging the card. Arohi hugs Akshara. Manish asks Abhimanyu to trust Arohi if she values saying so much. Abhimanyu refused to believe Arohi. Akshara shows her belief on Arohi post later swears on Seerath. She asks Abhimanyu to trust Arohi. Abhimanyu says if Arohi can guarantee she will not repeat her mistake. Mahima asks Goenkas and Birlas too finish the puja fast as they don't have time for drama. Arohi apologize and leave the place. Akshara about to go behind her. Abhimanyu stops Akshara and asks her to complete the puja. Arohi cries and feels lonely. Abhimanyu Akshara completes the puja. Kairav comforts Arohi. Kairav asks Arohi to come back home. Arohi refused to accompany Kairav to the home. She says none trust her. Kairav says to Arohi that Akshara took stand for her. Arohi decide to go to Birla Hospital. Abhimanyu says to Akshara that Arohi will become their life. Problem one day. Anisha informs Kairav that she got an acting opportunity, thus leaving for Mumbai. Akshara tries to calm Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu asks Akshara not to console him as he fears Arohi will keep coming between them and will never accept their recap. Arohi and Akshara meets an accident. Abhimanyu senses Akshara is in trouble.